Today's video will show you steps on how to combine first and last name in your Excel worksheet. So ensure to watch the video to the end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. To start, you open your Excel worksheet, then you click on an empty cell where you want the full name to appear. As you can see displayed on the screen, we have the first name, the second name, and the combined section for the full names. Now, in this cell, you input this formula equal to concatenate. You open a bracket, then you select how you want your name to appear. The first name, the first cell, a comma, then you input this, a space, again, a comma, then you fix or you select the second cell. Then you close your brackets. After you've written this formula, you press the enter key, and you can see that it has displayed the names together. It has combined the first and the second names. To apply this formula to the other cells, you click on the cell of the displayed answer, then you move your cursor to the bottom right of the cell, you double click and drag along the other cells, and it automatically combine the names together. So that is how you combine your first and second name in Excel worksheets. Thanks for watching the video. Ensure to give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye friends.